colors. Hello kids! This is Teacher James Lee, and now we will learn the colors. Okay, let's start. This is red. This is yellow. This is blue. This is orange. This is violet. This is green. This is brown. This is pink. This is white. This is gray. And this is black. Now, identify the color of the objects. You're right. The car is red. You're right. The jacket is blue. You're right. The balloon is yellow. You're right. The leaf is green. You're right. The carrot is orange. You're right. The ribbon is violet. You're right. The chair is brown. You're right. The dress is pink. You're right. The cup is white. You're right. The trash can is gray. You're right. The camera is black. Great job, kids! See you next time!